Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a yard sale in an American neighborhood. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and some yard sale sellers. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How much does Ken pay for the lamp? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
It's a nice morning. I'm glad we're walking today.
Me too. Saturday mornings are the best for walking.
The weather is perfect, not too hot.
Look at that sign over there. Do you see it?
The yellow one with the big arrow?
Yes, it says yard sale. Let's go check it out.
Yard sale? What is that?
It's when people sell things they don't need anymore. They put everything in front of their house.
Really? Like a small shop?
Kind of, but it's not a real shop. It's just someone's home. They put tables outside and put their old things on them.
What kind of things do they sell?
All kinds of things. Books, clothes, kitchen stuff, toys, furniture. Sometimes you find really great things for a low price.
That sounds interesting. I've never been to a yard sale before.
Never? Then today is your first time. You'll love it.
Do they have prices on everything, like a store?
Most of the time, yes. People put small price tags on things, or they write the price on a piece of tape.
Okay, so I just look at the price and pay? That's easy.
Well, it's a little different from a store. There's a special rule at yard sales.
A special rule? What do you mean?
I'll show you later. You'll see. Come on, let's follow the arrows.
Okay, I'm excited now. How many yard sales are there usually?
On a good Saturday morning, you can find 3 or 4 in one neighborhood. Some people also call it a garage sale. It's the same thing.
Garage sale? I've heard that word before. So they're the same?
Yes, exactly. Different name, same idea. People selling their old things.
Do people do this every weekend?
Mostly in the spring and summer. When the weather's warm, many people clean their houses and sell old things.
That makes sense. I want to buy something today.
I'm sure you'll find something you like. Let's go then. I want to see what they have.
Okay, lead the way.
Follow me. The first arrow is pointing this way.
Wow, look at all these things on the tables.
Good morning. Welcome to my yard sale. Are you looking for anything special?
Thank you. This is my first yard sale. I'm just looking around.
Oh, your first time. That's great. Take your time. Everything is on the tables and on the ground.
There are so many things. I see books, cups, kitchen tools.
Yes, I have a lot of things. I cleaned my house last week and found all of this.
This cookbook looks interesting. Easy meals for every day. How much is this?
That one is $2.
$2? That's very cheap. I'll take it.
Great choice. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I cook every day. I'm always looking for new ideas. This book has a lot of pages, too.
You'll love that book. It has simple recipes with pictures. The breakfast part is my favorite.
Perfect. Oh, and this coffee mug is nice. The blue one. How much?
The blue mug is $3.
$3. Okay, I'll take that too.
Here you go. So that's $5 for both. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please. Thank you. You have really nice things here.
Thank you. Are you new to yard sales?
Yes, this is my first time. I didn't know people did this.
Oh, it's very popular here. Every Saturday in the summer, many people have yard sales. It's a great way to meet your neighbors, too.
That's true. I'm meeting you right now. Do people come early in the morning?
Oh, yes. Some people come at 7, before we're even ready. They want to find the best things first.
7? That's so early. What time did you start today?
I put everything out at 8, but 2 people were already waiting at my door.
They must really love yard sales.
They do. The early birds always find the best things. Well, enjoy your morning.
Thank you so much. This was really fun. Have a good day.
You too. Happy shopping. Come back next Saturday if you want. I might have more things then.
Oh, look at this yard sale. They have clothes and bags.
Good morning. Come on in. I have summer clothes, hats, bags, and some shoes.
Nice. I need a new summer hat. Do you have any?
Sure, I have 3 hats right here. This white one, this brown one, and this green one.
I like the white one. It looks perfect for summer. How much is it?
That hat is $5.
$5. Okay. And are these sunglasses yours too?
Yes, I have several pairs. Which ones do you like?
These black ones are nice. How much are they?
Those are $4.
So the hat is $5 and the sunglasses are $4. That's $9 together, right?
That's right. $9 for both.
Would you take $5 for both?
5? That's much less than 9. How about 7?
How about 6?
Okay, $6. You're good at this. Deal.
Deal. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. The hat looks great on you.
Thank you. My friend over there is new to yard sales. He just bought some things at the house across the street.
The one with all the books and kitchen things? That's my neighbor.
Yes, he paid the full price for everything.
That's what first-timers do. But here, you can always ask for a lower price.
That's what I told him, but he didn't believe me.
It's part of the fun. You ask, the seller says yes or no, and then you find a price in the middle. Nobody gets angry about it.
Exactly. At a store, you pay the price on the tag, but at a yard sale, you can always ask. I need to teach him.
Good luck. Once he tries it, he won't stop.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is yard sale, meaning a sale of old things at someone's home. For example, we found a cookbook at the yard sale. The second word is bargain, meaning something you buy for a very good price. For example, this lamp was a great bargain. The third word is cash, paper money and coins, not a credit card. For example, I always bring cash to yard sales. The fourth word is price, meaning how much money something costs. For example, the price of this mug is $3. The fifth word is deal, meaning an agreement to buy something at a good price. For example, I got a great deal on this lamp. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at the yard sales.
Let's sit down for a minute. My feet are a little tired.
Good idea. This bench is in the shade, too.
Okay, let me see everything we got. I have a cookbook and a coffee mug.
And I have a hat and sunglasses. Look at this hat. Isn't it nice?
It's pretty. How much was it?
I got the hat and the sunglasses together for $6. The first price was $9.
Wait, you paid less than the price? You can do that?
Of course. At a yard sale, you can always ask for a lower price. That's part of the fun.
I didn't know that. I just paid the full price for everything at the first house.
Don't worry. Now you know. You can try at the next one.
So we spent $5 at the first house and $6 at the second. That's $11 for 4 things.
At a regular store, one cookbook would be $15 or $20, and a good coffee mug is probably $10.
That's true. These are used things, but they look almost new.
See? That's why yard sales are great. You can find bargains everywhere.
Is there another yard sale near here?
Let me check. Yes, I can see another sign down that street. It says moving sale.
Moving sale? What's that?
It means someone is moving to a new house, so they want to sell a lot of things before they move.
They probably have many things then. They need to sell everything before they leave.
Usually, yes. Moving sales have the most things.
And the prices are good?
Very good. They need to sell everything fast before they move. You might find nice tables, chairs, or lamps for a very low price.
Let's go. But wait, do we have enough cash? Can we use a credit card?
Most yard sales only take cash. That's why I brought small bills this morning.
Smart. Let me count. I have $15 left.
I have $12, so we have $27 together.
That's enough. Let's go check it out. This time, I'm going to try to ask for a lower price.
That's good. Just be friendly and ask nicely. Most people say yes.
Okay, let's go. Wow, this yard sale is big. There are things everywhere.
Good morning. Yes, we have a lot today. We're moving to a smaller place next month, so we need to sell everything.
That's why there are so many things. I see tables, chairs, lamps, pictures.
Yes, we lived here for 20 years. We collected a lot of things.
20 years is a long time. You must have many memories here.
We do, but it's time for something new.
I understand. Where are you moving to?
A small apartment near the city center. It's nice, but much smaller, so we can't take everything with us.
I see. Well, your things look very nice. Oh, I like this table lamp. The glass is very pretty.
Thank you. That lamp is $10. It still works perfectly.
$10.
Do you want to try it? I have a long cord here. Let me turn it on for you.
Oh, it gives a warm light. That's nice. I like it a lot.
It was in our living room for many years. It's a good lamp.
I really want it, but $10. Would you take $7?
7? That's a little low for this lamp. It's still very good. How about 8?
$8. Okay, $8.
Deal. You did very well. Is this your first time at a yard sale?
Yes. How did you know?
You looked a little nervous when you asked, but that was a good price. $8 for a lamp like this is a great deal.
Thank you. I'm happy. This lamp is really beautiful.
Would you like a bag for it? I have a big bag with some paper inside to keep it safe.
Yes, please. That would be great.
Here you go. Be careful. The glass part is a little heavy.
I will. Thank you so much. Good luck with your move.
Thank you. Enjoy the lamp. It brought a lot of warm light to our home. I hope it does the same for you.
I'm sure it will. Thank you again. Have a great day. Lily, look. I got the lamp for $8.
I saw. You asked for a lower price. I'm proud of you.
I was so nervous. My hands were shaking a little.
But you did it. 7 was your first offer and she said 8. That's how it works.
It felt great when she said deal. I was so happy.
You are good at this. So let's see. We spent $11 at the first 2 yard sales and you spent $8 on the lamp. That's $19 total.
For a cookbook, a mug, a hat, sunglasses, and a beautiful lamp. That's a lot of things. If we bought all of this at regular stores, it would be so much more expensive.
Probably $60 or $70 at least. See, yard sales are great for finding bargains.
I really enjoyed today. Can we go again next Saturday?
Of course. Every Saturday morning in the summer, there are yard sales in different neighborhoods.
Next time, I'll ask for a lower price from the beginning.
Now you know how it works. Be friendly, smile, and just ask.
I learned a lot today. First, I learned what a yard sale is. Then, I learned that you can ask for a lower price.
And you learned to bring cash and small bills. Most sellers don't take credit cards.
Right. And coming early is important too. The early birds find the best things.
Exactly. Oh, wait, look at that box over there in front of that blue house.
It says free on the side. What's in it?
Let me check. Oh, there are some books and old magazines. Anyone can take them.
It's free? Really? People just give things away?
Yeah, sometimes people put out things they don't need anymore. Anyone can take them. It's very common here.
That's so nice. Are there any good books?
This one looks interesting. Travel stories from around the world.
Take it. Today is a really lucky day.
Our best Saturday morning in a long time. I love days like this.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How much does Ken pay for the lamp? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. If you want to study more, this channel also has a membership. Members get a special study guide PDF for every episode. Each PDF has the key words, useful phrases, and extra quiz questions that are not in the video. You can find the link in the description below. If you really want to improve your English, please give it a try. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.